Hello, this video is about encoding messages. Encoding is transforming the message into a form that can be sent by the communication channel chosen for this message. We actually do this unconsciously every day when we change our abstract ideas and thoughts into spoken words or written texts. However, different kinds of communication channels require different kinds of encodings. For example, if you are a bank manager and you want to tell a client something important about his bank account, so you will send him a formal letter. If you work in a bookshop and you want to tell a client that his order is in the shop, you will give him a phone call. So, encoding is choosing the way we transform our message in order to send it to our audience. Well, this is Mohammad Modallal. Thank you for being with us. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel, Go to Group 2010.